你好，大家，我是米娅。成绩单发过来了，我觉得我考得很平均，所以我今天想做个挑战 reflection。因为是我的 reflection， 我接下去说的都是英语。如果有几个地方没说清楚，大家都可以给我留言。I'll explain what I think I did well on, what I think I could improve on, and what the magical thing of standardized scoring is. 我一共有11门课，我有6门课80分以上，剩下的是80分以下。我们是80分以上是 top level. But the mark you see is not the mark that you got when you got given back the test paper. We don't get the test scores that we got in the exam. We get these things called standardized score. So the result isn't based on how many questions you got right, rather what the average was and how well you did compared to others. For example, let's say in computing you got 74. That seems bad until you realize that the average was actually much lower, like 40. Therefore, your score would go up in standardized scoring. Maybe it could go up to 83 or even the 90s, or if it's the highest, maybe 100. A different example could be in maths you get, let's say, 88. It seems very good until you realize the average is actually like 95 or something. That means your standardized scoring will make your real score go lower. That means that anything above 80 is considered very good. Now it's about me. I'm strongest in writing-based subjects like English, history, geography and Latin, plus religious studies. I've made some solid progress in physics this term, but I'm also aware of my weak spots. Alright, I'm just gonna say it loud and proud. I'm horrible at chemistry and French. My chemistry needs more work, but I'll practice this summer. As for French, I didn't really do that great, and I didn't really try my hardest or put in enough effort. But good news is, starting September, I'm switching to Spanish and not having to live under the torturous spell of French because, in all honesty, I don't like it. 我觉得知道有一个人喜欢什么和不喜欢什么是很重要。我跟我妈妈说，我不喜欢法语，所以我不可能继续学法语。但是我会努力学西班牙语的。I'll be working very hard, and I'll also be posting my progress here on each and every subject. I've set up 3 goals for next year. Chemistry to at least 75 or 80, and that I take up Spanish with as much passion as possible, and that my maths can go up to 90. I've learned that grades aren't just these numerical numbers that you look onto and feel either sad or happy. They're something that can help you reflect on yourself and what you could do to improve. So stay tuned and see you next time. 记得点赞、收藏、关注我哦。